are about to do this together, okay? And when I say together, I mean together, because this is my very first Chanel bag, okay? Yes, I've owned Chanel shoes, I've owned Chanel wallets, but I never owned a Chanel handbag. Here goes my first one. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and we're friends. Now listen, I say that with a little heartache, okay? Because, you know, a lot of my acquaintances, because let's be real, that's what you are. You're an acquaintance, okay? Because you come here, you say hello, you know, and I appreciate it. I don't want to sound ungrateful, I appreciate it. But I feel like you don't want to be friends. Because why not just hit the subscribe button? It's free. It don't cost you nothing. But we can be anyway, okay? I'm tired, okay? I will not get my feelings hurt on the day I got my first Chanel bag. Now listen, for my friends, y'all might be thinking what it is, because I have said time and time again that I only want one Chanel bag. I think I lied. Listen, hear me out. I didn't know I was lying when I was lying. I didn't know I wasn't telling the truth. I just saw this and I was like, wait a minute. Okay, let's get it open, because I know you like, girl, open the box. I'm gonna open the box. I'm gonna open the box. Hold on. Okay. I didn't touch it. I didn't peek in it. I mean, I breathed on it a little bit because I was tempted. But my point is, I waited for y'all. Okay. So now let's open the box. Hold. Listen, I'm about to cut my tatas. Okay. Now, when I'm opening box like this, because I know you like, girl, why are you opening that leather bag with a razor? I'm careful, okay? I tend to open the sides first, and then I lift up the top so it won't cut into my bag, and I just take the tip, okay? And I just use it to like make a little slit where I know it's not in the box, and then I use my muscles to rip it open so I won't ruin the bag. Anyway, all right, now Fashionphile. Now it came from Fashionphile, right? For two reasons. Number one reason was Chanel. I'm not paying new prices. I'm not paying new prices. Okay? Don't argue with me, argue with your mama. I'm not paying new Chanel prices. I'm not, okay? And the second reason is because it is my first Chanel bag. Yes, I've had a Chanel wallet. I know the leather, all that other good stuff, right? But it's still my first one. Like, we ain't going balls to the wall on your first Chanel bag, okay? So here it is. Let me move this out the way because I ain't cleaning up nothing. Alright, and then you got the Fashionphile file. Okay. Nice, nice. I want to see this bag, child. Hold on. Okay. This is hard. This is hard, okay? I'm boxing with one hand while being excited and trying to be considerate. While being excited and trying to be considerate of the people that's watching, but in your mind, okay? In my mind, I just want to get my bag. I just want to look at my bag. But then I gotta remember, so do you. Okay, here we go. Child, not it being upside down. Hold on. Okay, that's how it's in the box. Now, I don't remember if it came with a dust bag. Okay, I don't know. Alright. So that is the Fashionphile packaging. Now, I'm going to say from the feel. Oh, child, hold on. I was about to say from the feels is a little smaller than I expected. Alright, but that's what happens when you don't read the dimensions. Okay, but I might like it. I might like it. Because in my mind, it just gave me a comparison. Okay, let me get it out. I just stuffed my hand in the dust bag. And baby, soft like butter. Baby is soft like butter. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm getting it out. Ooh. So this is, what is this? What's her name? This is the Chanel calfskin quilted waist belt bag. Okay. Alright, I love that it's adjustable. Hold on. Silver hardware. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. The stickers are still on the hardware. Can you see that? Okay. And it came with the dust bag. I forgot. I be forgetting. Listen, I be forgetting. Because, okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I know you like, girl, you done paid $2,000 for this bag. And you don't remember if it came with a dust bag. And I didn't. Because when it comes to shopping for handbags, I only care about the bag. I don't really care about the, like, I got, how many bags is in here? I don't know how many bags is in here. And I can't tell you the last time I saw they dust bag. I can't. Okay, I don't use the dust bag. When I travel, I have, I think, 2 dust bags that I keep in here, because where am I going where I'm carrying more than 2 bags? Okay, besides traveling with the dust bags, I don't care about no dust bag. Okay? But since this is, I said, okay, let me stand on truth. Since this is my first Chanel handbag, I am happy that I do have the Chanel handbag. Okay? Now that's that. And it did come with authentic, hold on, make sure y'all in my business, hold on. Actually, I say that, but the only reason I know not to show the whole Chanel authentication card, because when I've seen people unbox their Chanel, they don't show, so I guess that's something, that's a thing. That's like an identity, a fraud situation, I don't know. But listen, just in case they right, I'm gonna cover mine, okay? So it comes with, I'm trying to cover it, child. The devil won't let me do it. Okay. Authentication card. And then here is the tag. Is that the... Now, I don't know when this bag came out. I don't know when this bag came out. But the fact that... Because I don't... Listen, I don't know Chanel. I'm not about to stand here, okay, in these YouTube streets, pretending like I know anything about Chanel. Okay, I am not a Chanel girlie. Okay, she belongs to Louis Vuitton. Okay, so I don't know nothing about Chanel. The only bag I've ever was like, oh, I'm gonna get that. Okay, that's got on my wish list was the Chanel Classic Flat, and I feel like being a handbag luxury lover, that should be self-explanatory. Okay, so that was the only one I actually really looked into. I say all that to say because I know what you're thinking. You like, girl, if you don't read this date code, is this a date code, SKU number, serial number, whatever, in this bag and tell me when this bag was made, I can look at it. I can even read it back to you. But I don't know what it means. I can't interpret the situation, is what I'm trying to say. So I don't know when this bag was made, okay? Maybe one of my friends can tell me. I don't know. But I'm assuming since it has an authentication card, and I know Chanel went the chipped route, it's old as hell. Okay, I don't know. And I could be wrong with that too. Let me know. But let's go over the details of the bag. Okay, it is a removable strap, waist strap. It is, child, is this bag too big for me? Okay, I just put it, can you see, I just put it around. What a, child, that's annoying. Oh, hell no. Look how, I'm annoyed. Okay, the adjustments starts right here, and for it to be tight around my, because I wear it as a fanny pack. I do. I know you like, girl, you're supposed to wear it. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, okay? Sometimes I'm in my 1983 era, okay? I want to wear it around my waist. Now, am I a little annoyed? Yes, I am. But I can fix it because I have a, what do you call it? A belt hole puncher. So, okay, not a problem, but whatever. Well, actually, that's actually a good thing, right? Because it could be universal, fit with a lot of different size waists, okay? And you know, your girl, as soon as she gets sad, your girl is liable to gain some weight. Okay, my weight go up and down with my feelings. So this might be a good thing. Alright? What else? Now inside, okay, let me put this out. This is the tag and the authentication card. Okay, inside it looks like textile lining. Now it says Chanel uniform. Okay, I'm assuming, I'm sorry, I was looking at the stitching, I'm trying to make sure. Now I'm assuming, because it says Chanel uniform, because I know Louis Vuitton have certain bags that's just made for their employees and staff, and because it says Chanel uniform, and also because the price tag, because I think this was like $1,900 on Fashionphile. I'm assuming that's what one of these are. Again, I don't know. If I'm wrong and you feel like rolling your eyes at me, remember, I am not a Chanel aficionado. I have not claimed to be a Chanel aficionado. Okay, so you can inform me and I appreciate it, but don't judge me. Okay. What else? But that's pretty much it with the bag, child. It's a black calfskin Chanel bum bag. Okay, there's no scratches. Look, I'm don't talk about me, okay? I'm evaluating the bag. No scratches on the hardware. Shiny. Most of the hardware still got the protective stickers on it. Now when I looked and reached into the bag and felt the size, because I thought, let me show you, hold on. When I ordered it, now I ordered this, I want to say 2 weeks ago, maybe a week and a half ago. Let's say 2 weeks ago to be safe. I ordered this 2 weeks ago, but I'm in North Carolina, and Mother Nature is on something over here. One day she wakes up and she wanted to be 80 degrees. The next day she chooses violence and it's like 12 degrees. Okay, so UPS had delayed my shipping. Whatever, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, but when I ordered it, I thought it was, from the pictures, about the size of my Gucci bum bag. But then obviously I saw it unboxed it today. This is giving, I don't have one, so I could be wrong, but this is giving the size of a mini bum bag for what it looks like in the pictures. I could be wrong. Let me know. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of my first Chanel handbag. Okay, I'm excited. It's cute. I'm excited. It's real cute. It's understated. It don't have Chanel on all over it, but you know, she lets you know when she there, where it's necessary. Okay, I think what I want to do, because again, I paid, I want to say a little over $1,900 for it. Am I right? I think I'm right. It wasn't over $2,000 with taxes. Was it? Child, that's a little lot. I think it was a little over $2,000. Anyway, point is, I think it's a good price point for my first Chanel bag. And if I want to dive into getting the Chanel classic flap, and whether I can do lambskin leather, calfskin leather, yeah, that'd be a nice little test run. And it's cute. So when I want to wear a bum bag, but I want it to be a little elevated, because again, I got my Gucci bum bag, and then I got my Louis Vuitton bum bag. Those are casual. Okay, those are all casual. So that'd be a nice little dressy, or more dressier, formal. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Stop playing with me. Option. So I'm looking forward to using that. Let me know if you want to do a what fits, because I don't know, I think I saw some more. Listen, the way my memory's set up, let me check if I see some or find some on Fashionphile. Of course, I will have it linked below. If I can find some, I will have them linked below. And that is it. So, of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!